Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Honor Magic 4 Pro has a stereo speakers. So in order to check that, first one need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is right here, the second one is a phone call speaker on the top here as well, and another one on the bottom. There's no speakers on the left and either no on the right. On the back of the phone there's also no sign of a speaker. Now let's try playing some music and covering speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. So let's try that. So the sound is coming from both of the sources, and that confirms that this device has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.